Ever wondered how the world of affiliate marketing works? How does one build a stream of passive income right from the comfort of their home? It's not rocket science, but a strategic process that anyone can master with the right guidance. Welcome to the comprehensive guide on affiliate marketing for beginners. In the next 3 minutes, embark on a journey that could potentially transform your financial future. This guide caters to everyone, whether you're just starting or looking to enhance your skills, so buckle up and delve into the world of affiliate marketing. First, we need to understand what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is a process where you, as an affiliate, earn a commission for marketing another person's or company's products. You choose a product you like, promote it, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. It's a win-win situation for both parties involved. The first step to starting affiliate marketing is to choose your niche. Your niche should be an area in which you have a strong interest and where there is a market need. It might be anything from cosmetics to technology. Next, you need to research affiliate programs and join one that aligns with your chosen niche. Programs like Amazon affiliate marketing or ClickBank affiliate marketing offer a wide range of products to choose from. They also provide a robust platform for beginners. Once you've joined an affiliate program, the next step is to start promoting the products. Build a website or a blog, create engaging content around the products, and strategically place your affiliate links within the content. Remember, the key here is to provide value to your readers or viewers. Social media platforms also offer a great way to promote affiliate products. You can use Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or any other platform where your target audience hangs out. The final step is to drive traffic to your website or social media platforms. You can use search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, or paid advertising. The more traffic you generate, the higher your chances of making a sale. To summarize, affiliate marketing is a lucrative way to earn passive income. Start by choosing your niche. Join an affiliate program like Amazon Affiliate Marketing or ClickBank. Start promoting products through valuable content and drive traffic to your platforms. Remember, affiliate marketing takes time and effort. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a legitimate way to build a sustainable income. So, be patient, consistent, and always be willing to learn and adapt. That wraps up the guide on affiliate marketing for beginners. By following these steps, you can embark on your affiliate marketing journey and potentially transform your financial future. So, why wait? The world of affiliate marketing awaits you.